Imagine waking up on a fresh morning, the day wide open, and you're about to hop on a motorcycle that feels like it was made for freedom itself. A bike that doesn't just carry you from point A to point B, it makes the ride feel meaningful. But before we get into all of that, there's a surprise waiting for you at the very end of this video. Something about this bike that most riders overlook and that changes the way you'll think about it. So make sure you stay with us until the end. This is Acer Rider, and today we're going deep into the 2026 Yamaha XT 100, a motorcycle that proves fun, simplicity, and adventure can coexist in one irresistible package. The 2026 Yamaha XT 100 isn't trying to overshadow bigger adventure bikes with towering specs or bulky design. Instead, it stakes its claim with charm, approachability, and purpose. Yamaha designed this bike to do one thing really well: make riding everyday experiences joyful, whether that's cruising city streets, exploring open roads, or discovering light-off pavement paths you've never tried before. This bike feels like a friend you can count on, reliable, confident, and ready for real-world riding. Right from the first glance, the XT 100 feels approachable. It doesn't look intimidating or overly technical. Its styling is clean, purposeful, and timeless, a blend of classic dual-purpose DNA with modern sensibilities. The upright stance, compact frame, and well-balanced proportions give riders a sense of confidence before even swinging a leg over the seat. This is a motorcycle that says, "Come ride, you've got this." Climbing onto the XT 100, you instantly notice how intuitive everything feels. The seat height is accessible, making it comfortable for new riders while still enjoyable for experienced ones. Your hands fall naturally on the handlebars. Your feet rest comfortably on the pegs. There's no awkward stretch or cramped posture. This ergonomic thoughtfulness makes a huge difference, especially if you plan to ride this bike every day. Beneath the bodywork, the heart of the 2026 Yamaha XT 100 is its responsive engine, a power plant tuned for fun and usability. This isn't an aggressive, high-revving beast. Instead, the engine gives you smooth, usable power right where you need it. Low-end torque is friendly, making takeoffs from stops feel easy without jerky transitions. Mid-range performance feels confident and lively. Accelerating through town or along open roads feels natural and engaging. The engine's character fits the XT 100's mission perfectly. Be approachable when you want it to be, and energetic when you decide to open up. It's the kind of motor that rewards smooth throttle control and invites you to ride more rather than second-guess yourself in everyday street riding. The XT 100 shines. Navigating traffic feels light and composed. Turning into tight corners feels natural. Maneuvering through narrow spaces and crowded intersections feels effortless. This bike truly shines in environments where riders spend the majority of their time. It's calm and cooperative when you need control, and it's playful when you give it room to stretch its legs. But the XT 100 isn't just comfortable on pavement. As soon as the road loosens up and becomes uneven, gravelly, or even lightly dusty, this bike begins to show its adventurous side. The suspension has enough travel and compliance to absorb rough patches with confidence. The upright posture gives the rider control and visibility. Light trails, back roads, and gravel pathways suddenly feel welcoming instead of intimidating. This kind of versatility makes the XT 100 incredibly fun for riders who want more than a street-only bike but are not looking for an oversized adventure machine. Speaking of comfort, the Yamaha XT 100 continues to deliver. The seat design strikes a balance between supportive and forgiving, perfect for longer days in the saddle. The upright riding position keeps energy in your arms and back comfortable, reducing fatigue even after extended rides. Whether you're commuting or exploring, this bike encourages you to keep going. Another remarkable trait of the 2026 Yamaha XT 100 is how light it feels. That's not to say it lacks substance. Far from it. The XT 100 is balanced, stable, and confident. But it's also easy to handle, nimble at lower speeds, and forgiving when you're learning to push your limits. This lightweight feel makes it an excellent option for newer riders while still offering enough engagement to keep experienced riders smiling. Handling smooth and predictable. The bike leans in naturally, tracks confidently, and gives you a sense of connection with the road or trail beneath you. It's responsive without being twitchy, encouraging you to explore corners with confidence instead of hesitation. One of the most practical advantages of the XT100 is its fuel efficiency. This bike is designed to sip fuel, meaning fewer stops at the pump and more riding time. Whether you're cruising through urban traffic or heading out on a weekend ride, you can cover impressive distances before needing to refuel. That's not only convenient, it's cost-effective, making this bike an ideal choice for daily riders and budget-conscious riders alike. Speaking of practicality, Yamaha's reputation for durability plays a huge role here. The XT100 is built with proven engineering and quality materials designed to withstand real-world conditions. Maintenance is straightforward, and parts availability is strong, two factors that make ownership easier and more enjoyable. Owning a motorcycle should feel confident, not worrisome, and Yamaha ensures that is the case here. Let's talk about technology. The 2026 Yamaha XT100 keeps things simple and rider-focused. The digital display gives you all the information you need: speed, fuel level, trip stats, without clutter or distraction. There's no overwhelming menu system to fiddle with. Everything feels intuitive and logical, so your focus stays on the road ahead, not on screens or buttons. Braking. Performance is another area where the XT100 earns trust. The brakes offer smooth, predictable stopping power that's easy to modulate. Whether you're slowing for traffic, adjusting speed on a corner, or navigating uneven surfaces, the braking system feels composed and confident. This predictability adds another layer of confidence to the ride, especially for less experienced riders. Now let's talk about versatility, because this is where the XT100 truly stands out. Most motorcycles can do one thing really well: commuting, highway cruising, or maybe light off-road riding. Very few can bridge all of those experiences with genuine competence. The 2026 Yamaha XT100 does. It feels at home in the city. It handles open roads with confidence. And it willingly tackles gravel paths and light dirt routes without complaint. That adaptability makes this bike a clear choice for riders who want one motorcycle that can do it all, not just some of it. But before we get to the surprise we promised earlier, let's talk about the emotional side of riding the XT100. There's something deeply satisfying about lifting the front wheel over a small bump, feeling the engine's smooth power pull you forward, leaning confidently into corners, and cruising through both predictable and unexpected roads. This bike doesn't just move you physically, it moves you emotionally. It makes the act of riding feel like an experience worth savoring. And now, the surprise we mentioned at the beginning of this video. One of the most overlooked and impactful features of the 2026 Yamaha XT100 isn't obvious at first glance. It's the adaptive ride balance system that subtly adjusts power delivery, suspension feel, and throttle response based on your riding conditions and style. What this means is that whether you're riding casually or more aggressively, whether the road is smooth or rough, the XT100 adapts in real time to give you consistent confidence and comfort. Most riders don't realize this technology is there at first, but once you ride with it, you start to feel the difference. It's like having a bike that learns with you and supports you without ever taking control away from your hands. That thoughtful, intelligent design is what elevates the Yamaha XT100 from being just a motorcycle to being a riding companion. So if you're searching for a bike that's friendly, versatile, efficient, fun, and built for riders who want adventure, whether it's daily commuting or spontaneous exploration, the 2026 Yamaha XT100 deserves a long, hard look. This is Acer Rider. Ride smart, ride curious, and keep chasing the open road ahead.